There we are.
Hold there, John.
Show us it. Show us the... I like that.
Johnny, can you follow this fucking fish, please?
Show it to us. Show the camera. Wants to see.
We had to take on a dead body, and but we lost quite near the boat.
It's gone straight onto the surface now.
Yeah, it's Coutas. Could be a nicer one.
I'm going. I haven't felt those distinctive tuna head nods.
Couta.
It's swimming. What do you want? What?
Yeah, already Ross. Ross, we lost one nice killer round snap.
Got a screamer, eh?
Yeah.
The rod did that.
I just fucking took us, Dave. There he is.
What is it?
I don't know.
Coutas.
So much right. There.
It's the same size we've been catching now. No, it's fine. No, just leave it.
Will you? What? Couta?
Yeah.
Eyeball.
No.
It's a bit better. How's it, guys? Here we are. Go 2025. This is our mackerel. It's gonna get mapped. There you go.
Nice.
Skipper.
Just trying to keep us on the right lines.
Right lines for tight lines.
Yes. Unfortunately, the gaffing has gone very badly for myself.
Don't know, full of the hatch there. Just to let the buggers know how the day is going so far.
Yes.
It's Twele. It's Twele. It is 10 o'clock only. And yeah, boys, the go 2025. Time to, we just lost the Couta. Time to get another one. Lekker. Catch up with you guys. Bitten. Oh, there we are. Yeah. Oh, right at the top.
Right upstairs, eh?
Yeah, just slowing it down at the top, bro.
Someone's gonna have to operate the controls.
Yoo-hoo-hoo!
Go neutral there.
Yeah, it's a nice fish. I think I've hooked it in the side. Should I back off a little bit?
Yeah. Still nice though.
I'll back off a little bit more.
Try gaffing first time.
You're gonna have to hit him first time.
I went too early.
Because he's not hooked nasty at all. Get him now.
Get him out the water. Get him out the water.
It's a nicer fish.
Sorry, it's in the guts, but
It's fine. Look where he's hooked.
Yes!
and it looks good, dude.
Shotgun gaffing.
Yeah.
You happy?
I'm really on strike, hey boys.
No. You're on the line here. Right, boys, here we are. Oh, bro, tuna just busted back there. Are you gonna gaff ready for me? I'm just trying to. Nothing less, Jonathan. I expect nothing less.
Forward again, Nick. Just gonna go under the boat. Forward, Nick.
Okay.
Let's see if he's going this way.
Oh, you can just go around him.
Yeah, go around him. There we go.
Yes, very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Just pulls it out.
Fine.
But I'll give him another round.
I'm not gonna rush him. Don't you worry, boy.
My legs shake.
Shut up. Just
It's so clean, eh?
I know.
He's like
It almost fucks with your eyes.
He's like a meter and a half under the water, and he looks like he's right here.
Wind again, John.
sorry, Oaks, I'm fucking around with that little fish.
and then walk back.
I did last time.
You'll
Yeah,
get
there
it
we
now.
are.
Nice! Also like
Hey.
that shit. Sorry guys. Okay, let me get
Oh,
the,
there we are.
there we go, Couta. Can I get the south?
I'll leave that one out. Play games.
Which
There's
one?
one road out, so
It's fine for now.
I'm also on that side.
I think it just took weirdly.
Yeah.
Can't even get 3 baits out.
I know.
Sometimes they do that.
You want to gaff again, John?
I can get it, yeah. I'm not more pressure on this. They go to the front.
It's a bad one again.
No, it's not. It's going to be a good one. Yeah. Don't be like an ape.
The point of having a hook that's sharp is that you don't have to hit it that hard.
Yeah, the overhand.
Okay, get ready, boys. Yeah. It's going to be a bit green.
It's fine. Come out. Like also
Same
like
size rod length here.
It's the same.
Hey, same size.
Same size.
Oh, and there goes the gap. No.
Okay, Jonah, you're banned.
Bro, how do I
Where's
supposed
the
to?
You're banned.
Where's the
You're
gaff?
banned.
Where's
You're
the
banned.
gaff?
It's in it.
It's gone.
Oh my fuck, my bro.
I gaffed it and it came out.
Now it's screaming.
It'll fall out. We must just watch if it comes out.
Get the other one.
It does float.
Okay, Nicholas?
Get it out.
Doesn't even have a hole in it. Yo, in the tail you hold it. You kept it in the tail, Jonah. So you hold on to it. Yeah, we have Jonathan's fish here.
We are gaffing the reef.
Oh, there we're going on, we're going on, we're going on, we're going on.
Can I hold that one? Can I read it? Yeah.
No ways. Then you put one gaff away. Nick? Then you put one gaff away. I'm trying to. Okay, snap, 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 snippity, snap, snippity, snap, snap, snap.
I mean, it's constant.
Move. I can see it there. It's a Coutas.
I have company very soon.
Oh, it's Dave's turn. Oh.
Dave's good at that. You just had it.
Is it gaff?
You have it, yeah.
No, I'm giving it to you. Obviously, when there's chaos, trying to put the shade up.
I was literally about to say.
You can finish putting the shade up quickly though. May as well.
That's a nice
That's
fish.
a nice fish. The fucking spool's empty. Can you get a side, John? And a mackerel, please. Quickly! They are showing under us.
I want to check.
What are they doing?
He's singing.
Look at that singing action.
That's why he's not bending.
Yes, Zed! Is it ready?
Yeah, I do.
No, no, wait. Might be a refresh. Oh, there we go.
Oh, this one got snip.
Ah, love. Okay, second coming shortly. Quickly, John. Put it the fuck down.
Oh my fuck, the could
It's
have
coming, bro.
Fuck the Johnny, bro. What am I supposed to do, Nick?
Put the fucking rod down. You're just fucking parking there, bro.
What do you want me to do?
You're just holding the
You
rod.
would have reeled in the fish. How? What more must I do?
Yeah, I freeze-pulled him.
There's a huge shot.
This thing's still there. I don't know. What's it on? There we go. It's still there.
There's on like this little skeg inside the little dingus there. It's a cool angle, huh? It's different.
Fuck, we're just pulling hooks around, no wonder. I still think, yeah.
Can I follow it now?
I'm pretty sure I freeze-pulled him away.
Yeah. If he's coming like this.
I was like, oh my god, there's a
We're either getting a head or a whole Couta here.
Yeah.
slot.
Bring it round for me, sir, please. Yo. Nothing you can do about that boy. It's fine. You can see him. Yeah, but did you see something?
Headshot, gaff.
But did you see how I pulled away and not to pull the line away? Can you move this? But now we're full.
Yeah. Okay.
Told you'd be on again. We literally just cracked a beer. Made an intro about 30 seconds ago. I'll even show you the time just to let you guys know. 2 minutes. And we're bending.
This thing's taking long. Yeah, top bait's fine.
That's pretty cool.
Okay. Yeah, this one's quite heavy, yeah?
Not a big bag.
Like I can't really turn him that way.
I leave that rod still in the front. It's not on the hand, is it?
Yes, but we're gonna have to turn.
Show Instagram.
Go forward.
What is that that was swimming over there?
Hey, it's a tuna.
I don't know what this is, bro.
Could just be a nice kuda.
Yeah. Don't go neutral, John. Neutral.
All the kuda are fighting weirdly today.
This one feels heavy though.
Yes, that thing's screaming.
Hey.
Me? Slightly.
Holy fuck. You like the surface rod? Surface rod. Surface rod. Surface rod. It's going. Why is the surface rod? Is it hooked in the surface rod?
No.
It is.
Well, I'll fix it now.
Start.
It's not.
It is.
It's not. It's underneath. Fine. It's fine. Under, Jonathan. You are under.
Under.
You are under.
No, I'm not.
You were.
How close was that then? I probably got brought in with the... Nice. That was like a...
Just as I was looking for a stick bait to put on that lure.
See your squiddies out.
Where's that? Oh, bro, where's that little mad scat that I had?
I think it's in the bucket.
No, it's not. Let's check now.
Then it must be in the bag. This is a good fish.
So I'm scheming of putting that little thing on.
Follow it, eh?
Bro, that's
One is
scream.
behind us.
Which one is?
There's an ugly thing under it. Okay, one, don't fucking mind.
Oh, there we are. Bonnie, put in the chip on. Prime size.
Your assistant,
No.
maybe that's massive.
So jobs. So I saw them, I had to go for them. Oh, bro.
Yeah, fuck. The hook's just full.
Yeah. Wasn't even tight.
Let's stop, Nick. You sure? It's playing you weirdly.
Fine, bro. Oh, it's a slightly better fish, I think.
Yeah, it's
Keep going left.
Why is it doing that?
Because John is trying to get away from you.
I want it to get stuck.
You don't need it.
Don't say words like that. But we've seen it.
If he starts doing weird shit, John, just freeze pull him, okay?
No, he's still there. I can see him now.
You got eaten.
He's just ahead.
Yo, and it was a nice one, bro. Yo.
Yeah. Sick is coming.
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm here.
Oh, we'll just put him. Oh, we got snip. How's that?
Come back. Ah!
Did you hurt yourself?
It's because as it pulled, it snapped onto my finger.
Fuck, it's my finger. Okay, gaff.
I'm here. Oh yeah, I'm right.
This new leader's full slot. This way.
William.
Next way, friend.
It's fine.
Get away.
No, we're welcome. We're good. Elastic has made me bled.
Oh shit. Go, battery.
Which way?
That way. Towards him. It's being a bit weird now.
No, just because you didn't scream earlier.
It's fucking just a hook hanging here.
So,
Okay, here he comes back.
No, I'm here, boy. I haven't even seen him yet.
it's
I
just
saw
the
him now.
head.
Oh, there he is.
It's just the head.
No, he's over here.
The rat. Nice.
I was just not sure after yesterday.
No more scratches. Still there.
Yeah?
He screamed nicely. I touched him, fuck. Oh yeah! Maybe free spool him if he...
No, he's not. He's just being normal.
If he does weird head shakes at our free spool. Look at that little bait ball.
It's not a bait ball. It's a plastic.
Fucking run. To another way now.
Yeah. Don't you want a point? Barely sticking this jeeper under the water. Yeah.
Yeah,
Sure.
definitely.
Get that hook out. Catching Couta.
Yeah, it is.
Bring your tail out. Put your tail out. Yes. Yes.
That was nice.
Look at the barnacles on it.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it in.
Oh, there we are. On the way up. One inch me.
20.
Yeah.
I think they could have. The jig gone.
Don't think so. Maybe actually. My jig's definitely gone.
Fucking cold.
Oh, I just got snipped. Careful, I just got snipped. Could be a Couta, because I just got snipped. Pull this thing, G.
Pulling it, G.
Maybe it's a little amber.
Could be. It's amber.
It's a tuna.
Fuck. That's pretty cool. Better one, that's
It's a normal size.